Good morning, my dear children. Welcome to maths class. In the last session, we completed chapter 5, and in the last class we solved some word problems. Now everyone open companion page number 35. So now here given project time. Okay? So listen carefully, everyone, children. I will explain how to do this project work. Okay, everyone open companion page number 35. Every house needs to be taken care of by maintaining it regularly. This might include different things like supplying electricity, water, cleaning and keeping it safe. Okay, every house needs take care of by maintaining it regularly. Okay, we are maintaining our house by supplying electricity, water, cleaning and different like that. Now with the help of your teacher, create a yearly budget to maintain your house. Collect information of at least 5 monthly expenses. Okay, create a yearly budget to maintain your house. Okay, in monthly we are paying many bills. Am I correct or not, children? For ending of this month, for example, if you are taking June, end of the June month we are paying many bills like electricity, water, maintenance bill, TV bill, gas bill, like that. No, am I correct, children? We are paying many bills like that. Collection information of at least 5 monthly expenses. Okay, what are the expenses in your house? Electricity. Monthly we are paying electricity bill and monthly we are paying water bill. You have to write at least 5 means, and in flats we are paying maintenance bill. Am I correct, children? We are paying maintenance bill. So maintenance bill means we are paying to washman and paying for car parking and bike parking. These all expenses are come in maintenance bill. And we are paying monthly gas bill. Okay, monthly we are paying gas bill and TV bill and other also. Here just you can write at least 5. More than 5 means you have to write Wi-Fi bill. Monthly we are paying Wi-Fi bill. Okay, children, you have to write like that. Identify the cost of a month and complete the table by estimating the cost for a year. Okay, identify the cost for a month and complete the table by estimating కాస్ట్ ఫర్ ఏ ఇయర్. సో మీరు ఏం చేయాలి ఇక్కడ? సో ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఎలక్ట్రిసిటీ బిల్. సో ఇన్ ఆల్ మంత్స్ we are using same electricity, children. No, and the bill is in different. For in summer we are using electricity very much, and coming to the winter we are using very less. Why? Because in summer we are using ACs, air coolers very much, and in winter we are not using air coolers and fans also. That means electricity bill comes in different months. Coming to the water bill also like that. Now maintenance bill, you have to write like that here, maintenance bill, and here you have to write gas bill, TV bill. So I am paying maintenance bill per monthly 500 rupees. Okay, 500 rupees. So total how much you paid in yearly, you have to multiply and write. Okay, multiply 500 into total how many months in year. 1 year having 12 months. No, you have multiply with 12 and write yearly bill. Okay, children, per monthly I paid 500 rupees per maintenance bill. So you have to find yearly. So like that also gas bill, monthly how much you paid. Gas bill and electricity and water bill we are paying in different. No, you have to once you have to check here given estimating means దగ్గరగా మీరు ప్రతి మంత్ ఎంత పే చేస్తారు. ఓకే, చిల్డ్రన్, you have to estimate your bill means per month like that 500 rupees. You have to take the average. మీన్స్ మంత్లీ అంత దగ్గరికి ఎలా వస్తుందో తీసుకుని దాన్ని రాయాలి. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ పర్ మంత్లీ నియర్లీ ఐ పేడ్ 500 rupees per electricity. You have to write 500. For example 600 means you have to write 600 here. Okay, 600 here. Yearly you have to write first monthly electricity bill and then you have to find yearly bill. How to get yearly bill, children? 1 year is equal to 12 months. Okay, you have to multiply this number with 12 to get yearly bill. Okay children, everyone, you have to multiply the bills with 12 to get yearly bill. Okay, what we have to do here first? So here given 2 bills and I written 1 bill already. Here you have to write gas bill, TV bill. Monthly I paid 250 rupees per TV bill. Okay, monthly I paid 250 rupees for TV bill. So monthly 250 means here you have to write 250 rupees. Per yearly means how to get yearly bill? Multiply with 12 to get yearly bill. Okay children, everyone do like this. Okay, I think are you clear children? Here asking to find estimating the cost for a year. Okay, monthly we are paying many expenses for this like that electricity, water, maintenance and gas bill and TV bill. So here you have to estimate and find the yearly bills. This is very easy children. You have to write the number here. Per monthly water bill is 150 means you have to write 150 and yearly means multiply with 12 to get the yearly bill. Okay children, this is your project work. Next, discuss the yearly electricity and water bill of your house in class. List the steps you can to save the electricity and water. Okay, discuss means you are not here now. So here you have to write list the steps you can take to save electricity and water. Once you have to think yourself how to save electricity and water, you have to write the steps here. Okay children, what we have to write here? You have to write how the save electricity and water. Write the steps here. For example, okay children, what are the steps to save electricity and water? You have to write here. For example, don't use electricity unnecessarily. Like that step you have to write here. Okay children, this is about this project work. I think are you clear children? If you now everyone open studio page number 79. Okay, this is question time. In the last time I given first Roman. Now you have to solve the word problems. Okay children, these are all the we discuss these problems like that in okay children, we discuss these problems in companion. These are all the same models. Once I will explain. 9,765 passengers are travel from station A to station B. How many passengers travel in a week? So 1 week is equal to how many days? 7. So multiply 9,765 with 7 to get total number of passengers travel in 1 week. Okay children, so we solve this type of problem in companion. Once you have to refer and do this problem children. And a florist uses 19 roses to make a bouquet. If she want to make 456 bouquets, how many flowers will she need approximately? This one also we solved. So how many flowers will need? So multiply 456 with 9 to get how many flowers we need. Next, see, a bookseller sells a book for 489 rupees. How much will he earn if he sells 51 copies of book? Okay, the cost of one book is 489 rupees. So what is the cost of 51 books? multiply 489 by 51 to get the total cost of 51 books. Okay children, you have to do these three problems. This is your homework. So now in this class we discussed about project work. You have to do the project work, and after that you have to write the steps to save electricity and water. You have to think yourself and write at least 3 steps. Okay children, and then next you have to complete these 3 problems. These are very easy, just you have to multiply with these numbers to get the answers. Okay children, thank you. This is about today's class. Thank you. Have a nice day.